Marvi is talking about Anin and Chadhin, Duttudihari Sumra. My people are so poor that they cannot afford to spare a day without work, otherwise they won't have food to eat. There are millions of people, of families in Sindh that go through the same thing that the Marvi's people were going 300 years ago. Look at the status of women. Yesterday somebody was talking about Shalai's verses of Aunt Sassi, but I did see from another angle. Here is Sassi that tells about how difficult and hostile the society 300 years ago is to women. And she says, Dadan, Deran, Dungran, Trinidinam Dukha. The elders, the feudals, the power elite of the locality, Babhor town, or any other town in Sindh, they, Dadan, Deran, my in-laws, and Dungran, the general environment, not just the Pahad, but the cities and the towns and the villages. So Dadan, Deran, Dungran, Trinidinam Dukha, till today. Look at the abduction, the kidnappings, and the harassment, and what kind of things are being done, and there is no access to justice. So that is Shah Latif said. Plus, we can talk about number of other things. Idea is that he is painting a picture which is still true today. Why is it true today? Because of those barriers, they have not been removed. Feudalism and this native colonialism and this other barriers that have been added. So Sindh remains largely as it was 300 years ago. Now what does Shah Latif say? How to get out of it? There's one thing he says, try and remember one thing, which comes from his poetry. Nobody will help you if you don't help yourself. Empower yourself. The only message that I can get reading 20 times Shah Latif is, empower yourself if you want to change your position. If you want to get better things, no one will help you. Now how do we empower ourselves? He says there are 5 ways, Shah Latif has said, and they are still valid today. He says, first, acquire knowledge. And there are 3 verses that I can quote where he says, emphasizes, Jahil Nathyo Padho Ilm Hasul Kyo Sab. Pani Mathe Chupda Murakha Unyamaran. I don't want to go into the full. Just one line conveys everything. You are sitting on water is under your feet, but you are so ignorant. You are so illiterate, you are so ignorant, you are so incapable. You cannot solve a problem where the solution lies under your own feet. Second, Tojo Dio Bhayo, Tojo Dio Bhayo, so Suraj Sohaye. हे जंहिंखे तूं सम्झे थो त राति जो ॾीओ आहे ऐं हिन में कुझु कोन्हे, अंधेरो न आहे, ख़तम न थींदो. These are the shining rays of the new sun. The new sun is rising. Understand it. And another, महरूम थी मरी वया, माहिर थी न वो. अरे सिंधियो, पढ़ो, न सिर्फ पढ़ो, become experts. Try to be, learn, get to excellence. Not just illiterate, your primary है ना. He wanted 300 साल आगे. बाबा ने genius ये तो दिसो. असां तो appreciate कोन था करना के रुगो सूफी आए गाना बना गाए चो था बाबा. पानी मथे झूपड़ा मूर्ख उन्यमरन जा हेडो तो चे त
महरूमई बुआ माहिर.
छा कजे यार महरूम थी बरी विया माहिर थी न बुआ. Okay. Now one. Second, he says hard work. Don't be lazy. Work hard to create wealth. Sutav thi jag, nindra na kare etri. Sultani suhag, nindru kade na mile. Now sultani suhag is what? What is the main feature of a sultan or a king?